You're about to see a historic Arkansas house that blends original craftsmanship with serious modern improvements. As we arrive at this property in Little Rock, the first impression is clear. This is not a standard residential house. Built in 1895, it stands as a rare example of preserved architecture, sitting on a 0.28-acre city lot with immediate access to everything around it while still holding its own identity. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house offering approximately 2,543 square feet of living space, where historic detail and modern upgrades have been carefully combined rather than replaced. Inside, the home immediately showcases its character through refinished original hardwood floors, updated lighting, and a layout that still respects the design language of its era. The scale of the rooms feels generous, with tall ceilings and a natural flow that reflects late 19th century craftsmanship. One of the most defining features of the house is the presence of 3 fireplaces. Each one has been preserved with refinished mantels, acting as focal points in different living spaces and reinforcing the home's original identity. At the same time, this property has undergone meaningful structural and system upgrades that go far beyond surface-level renovation. You're looking at updated plumbing, a modernized electrical panel, foundation work, ductwork repairs, and a roof that is approximately 8 years old. These are the types of improvements that ensure long-term stability